With over 25 machines, Carlson Tool Manufacturing houses a full-capacity gun drilling department that can handle hole sizes from as small as 0.055 inches on up to 2 inches in diameter at depths of up to 200 inches. We can drill parts of all shapes, sizes, and can make custom fixtures to suit any unique drilling needs you may have. Carlson is equipped to handle any size gun drilling order from a single part up to thousands of high production pieces. Our in-house quality department allows us to ensure the tightest tolerances are achieved, so you can rest assured your parts will arrive on time and within specification.